define the purpose of the Chief Bonding Officer?
Yes, the Chief Bonding Officer is actually someone who is actually orchestrating the entire organization. That means who looks actually at the behavior and understands why people do the way they do it and how they do it, and sort of try to make sure with his actions and measures to keep balancing the organization, that people actually learn how to adapt themselves constantly, internally as well as externally. And that requires a number of different actions. That requires to understand the myth and the values, the rituals, the qualities, the attitudes, and that often goes in one-to-one sessions or like group dynamics, or set up roundtables with management who then express and share their thoughts on virtues and values, so that their workforce and the employees start to understand that and know how that actually can be incorporated. But it's also someone who actually gives a lot of talks and sort of comforts people and gives them trust about different topics, such as, how can we be more resilient, and how can we create an organization that's very swift, or how can we tackle dependency, or how can we become independent, or actually we can reduce the conditioning. So there's many different topics in order to keep maintaining that balanced level in your organization. So out of that we see more empathy, more intuition, and certainly at the end of the day that each and everyone has a strong and higher self-awareness. So it's crucially important to actually keep the organization in a very balanced situation. That's an ongoing process. So it's not something which is limited, it's really unlimited, which means constantly one needs to actually observe these behaviors.